Howdy there, folks. The Collector 6819 coming at you with another box break of Premium Gold Yu-Gi-Oh! So let's see what we get. Got this one at Target. And I'll apologize if I mispronounce any names. We have Fire Formation Tenka. What is this more? Ancient Pixie Dragon. Number 13, Embodiment of Crime. Plague Spreader Zombie. And Raja the Storm Monarch. Raja. Okay, we have number 32, Shark Drake. Utopia Blaster. Gimmick Puppet Magnet Doll. Phoenix Wind Blast. Spirit Reaper. We have Gaga Magician. Slifer the Sky Dragon. I like that one. Number C88, Gimmick Puppet Disaster Leo. Breaker the Magical Magician. And Chimera Tech Over Dragon. I like that one too. So these are the two big hits I think I got from here, Slifer and Chimera Tech. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time.